That meal looks delicious, doesn't it? You ignited, you sautéed, you seared, and you served. Wow, that tastes good. All for the love of cooking. And you cooked with all-clad, the original bonded cookware. American-made and best in class. We bond, and we form, we etch, and we rivet. At least 24 hands crafted this pan. Look at that shine. Gorgeous, isn't it? And it cooks even better. From Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, straight to your kitchens. We make durable and high-performance cookware for all your kitchen adventures.
Introducing new Calphalon Premier Space-Saving Nonstick Cookware. Cookware that stacks securely to save 30% more space. The unique handle design allows pots, pans, and lids to stack and nest in any order, and each pan is metal utensil safe. New Calphalon Premier Space-Saving Cookware. Secure stacking that saves 30% more space. Nothing else stacks up to it.
Achieve perfect results with GE's Convenience Cooking Controls. Express Cook gives you a quick way to set cooking time for up to 6 minutes. Plus, easy selection controls make sure everything from popcorn to hot cocoa is prepared just the way you like it at the touch of a button.